and happiest Teachers Day to all of the teachers of Acharya Academy. And on account of Teachers Day, I'm here to share some information on tenses. We'll move towards English, and so we all know English tenses is most important topic in English. So I thought that I should share some information on English tenses with you. So I'll start with screen sharing. So are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes,
I'll start. You have to
ma'am.
listen carefully because I'm gonna take a rapid fire round and I'll ask any one of you to give the answers, okay? Okay, so I'll start. Is it visible? Sir, screen is visible?
Yes. 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 Your screen is visible.
So it's visible, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So I'll start with tenses.
But the image, that image was not is not visible.
Sir, image is visible.
No. No. Image is not visible. Your mobile screen is visible. That you have shared.
काय कर बेटा, डायरेक्टली गॅलरीमध्ये जा. गॅलरीमध्ये गेल्यानंतर सगळं दिसून जाईल. स्क्रीन शेअरिंग केली तू,
स्क्रीन शेअर न करता डायरेक्टली फाईल शेअर कर.
फाईल शेअर कर. डायरेक्टली शेअर मध्ये जा, फोटो तिथं क्लिक कर आणि बरोबर तुला गॅलरीमध्ये ओपन होते.
सर
या
सर मी कॅमेरा ऑन करू डायरेक्टली करू का मग स्टार्ट?
नो प्रॉब्लेम.
चालेल, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
नो प्रॉब्लेम.
ओके.
डायरेक्टली एक्सप्लेन कर.
हाँ सर. So visible, chart is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, now we all know there are 4 types of tenses: simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. And in that, present tense, past tense, and future tense. So I hope all of you know all these tenses. So I'll start explanation. So shall I start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first is simple tense, where we use only SES type sentences like she enjoys playing guitar. Now you may get confused that the verb is enjoying or playing, but sentence in this sentence the verb is enjoy, because sentence she enjoys playing the guitar and enjoys is a verb. So in simple tense the sentence will be she enjoys playing guitar. And next one, simple past tense, the sentence will be she enjoys playing the guitar, and the future sentence will be she will enjoy playing the guitar. So have you all understood simple tense? Yes, have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is continuous tense, and in continuous tense usually the helping verbs used are am, is, are, and the formula is as in are, as am, is, are plus v1 plus ing, and the sentence will be she is enjoying playing the guitar. And for past continuous tense the sentence will be she was enjoying playing the guitar. And for continuous tense, future continuous tense, the verb forms used are will be plus v1 plus ing. So the sentence will be she will be enjoying playing the guitar. And the next one is perfect tense. Okay, now perfect tense, in perfect present tense the helping verb used are has, have, or plus v3. So the sentence will be she have she has she have enjoyed playing the guitar. And for perfect past tense, the sentence will be she had enjoyed playing the.
बंद करूयात आपण का
Yes.
नो बेटा तुझं तुझं तू कंटिन्यू कर कोणाच तर माईक ऑन आहे.
Okay. So, past perfect tense, the sentence will be she had enjoyed playing the guitar. And for future perfect tense, the sentence will be she will have enjoyed playing the guitar. So, till here, anybody has any doubt? Yes?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. The last form is perfect continuous tense. Now it has both continuous tense and perfect tense. That means both forms will be used. We will also have and also ing. So we'll see first is has have been plus been plus ing. So the sentence will be she has been enjoying playing the guitar. And next will be for past perfect continuous tense, the sentence will be she had been enjoying playing the guitar. And then next last one future tense will be she will have been enjoying playing the guitar. So this way we saw all the 12 forms of tenses. So now I would like to ask some of you some sentences. So are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
uh, Firstly, anyone has any doubt in whatever I explained now?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So I'll start with my next start. So give me a minute.
बेटा थोडस लवकर उरक कारण बाकीचे पार्टिसिपंट वेट करतायत थोडस.
Yes, I've almost completed. I have only last 5 sentences.
ओके नो प्रॉब्लेम.
Okay, sir. So every sentence are visible.
या
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
first sentence is she did not want to go, and we have to change this sentence to simple present tense. So anyone among you would like to change it? Yes, anyone? Come on, student, please. Okay, I'll ask any among you. So I would like to ask you, Rajvardhini, who is? Can you please tell the answer, Rajvardhini?
Ma'am, is it she do not want to go?
Yes, the sentence is she did not want to go, and we have to change to simple present tense. So can you answer?
She do not want to go.
She no. It will be she does not want to go.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good try. So next sentence is I know this, and we have to change this to simple past tense. So anyone among you will change it? Yes, anyone?
I knew this. Ma'am, you're mute.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
So who told the answer? It's very right. Now we'll move towards the third sentence. Tina will be waiting for us, and we'll have to change this sentence to present continuous tense. Okay. So, huh? Sorry.
Continue.
Okay. Tina will be waiting for us. So I would like to ask to Kanishka Norute. Can you change the sentence?
Yes, Tina is waiting for us.
We have to use. Yes. No. Sorry.
Present continuous. Tina is waiting. अरे चौका.
Yes.
Tina is waiting for us.
Yes, it's very right. Now the fourth sentence is I'm leaving for England, and in present days I know it's possible, but can anyone change it? Yes. Okay, Gayatri, can you do it? Gayatri?
I will be leaving for England tomorrow.
Future
I will
continuous.
leave
Yes,
for
very right.
England tomorrow.
Yes, very right. Good. And the last example is I always want to be a scientist. And we have changed the sentence to present perfect tense. So, anyone among you would like to do it? Yes? Okay. Rajeshwari, can you do it?
I always wanted to be a scientist.
Yes, we have to
We have
change
to
it to present perfect tense. Yes?
I have been always wanted to be a scientist.
Yes, try. Okay, I'll answer the last one. The answer is I have always wanted to be a scientist. Okay, Rajeshwari?
Yes, ma'am.
So I would like to conclude, but anyone have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Have you all understood whatever I explained today?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Have you all enjoyed it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for listening me
Yes, ma'am.
carefully.